Hi guys, it's Youcook here. Another simple and healthy meal you can prepare within less than 10 minutes as a side dish, or you can make it into a main dish if you add pork or any type of meat. This is a very easy recipe to prepare. If you're interested, follow me and we're gonna get through this so quick that you can't even believe it. As you can tell, I cook daily, and today I'm just going to focus on stir-fried green beans because it's very easy and simple to prepare. Before moving on, please check out my website, Youcook, and click the button subscribe. Thank you so much. In order to subscribe, you need to have a YouTube account. So if you don't have one, follow YouTube's instruction and sign up. It's free. Very simple recipe. First, bring water to boil, add a little bit of salt and oil. Then when the water boils, add in green beans. When green beans are cooked properly, it should still have a crispy texture and it should give you a very bright green, vibrant color. Drain the beans and let it sit. Now we're going to prepare garlic and dried scallop for stir frying. Add in about a tablespoon of oil, then add in garlic and dried scallop. Dried scallop, you can use something to smash it up. Then add in the green beans, and we're gonna stir it within a minute, and that's it. The green beans already been cooked, so you don't want to overcook it. And you can just season it with a little bit of salt, and that's it. Simple as that. If you find this recipe easy and simple, please share with your loved ones and friends. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy my recipe and find them useful, please subscribe. If you want to make this recipe more appealing and presentable, then add a little bit of cornstarch mixture to give it a nice glaze. That's it guys. This is very simple and easy to prepare. I hope you can give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comment below. Thank you so much for your time and patience. Until then, take care everyone. Stay safe.